Hey, welcome back to another live stream. Hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, by the way, guys, drop them in below. Happy to answer any questions that you've got. I'll answer them either during the live stream or shortly afterwards. So today's question, or it's actually product review, is a painting rock. So if you think you can't make money selling rocks, think again. This one here has sold they've got 1,400 reviews, which means they've probably sold 20, 30,000 of these rocks. They're selling for $29, and guess what? Literally, it's a rock, okay? So it's such a simple product. It's non-fragile. It's something, can you brand a rock? I'll let you answer that question. Is it something where you have longevity? Potentially. And let me explain potentially how you could have longevity selling this product, all right? Such a simple product. It's not something that will break. It's not a blender. It's not something like that. Let's look at the numbers, all right? So it's a painting rock. So basically they're rocks that you paint. You get kids to paint them. And then I suppose you decorate the garden with. You can sort of see here the numbers. People are, especially on this keyword, there is revenue coming in for this particular product. Like you look at the revenue, right? It's not too bad. Actually, I'll show you sort of the revenue, right? Revenue's not too bad right there. We're just going to leave that there. So there is sales happening for this product. The question is it something that you'll make money on, right? Is it something, where do you source this from? Do you source it from China? Do you go down to your local lake and stream and saw it made Australian-made rocks? You could do that, right? I would probably say look into Alibaba first. There's a lot of different products out there, a lot of rock-related products. I found one here, $100 a ton. Now, you're not going to buy a ton. All right, don't buy a ton, please. I did find, though, a little package of DIY art stone rock painting. You can sort of see there, right? It comes in a very sexy box, right? I get excited very easily. I'm a bit of a nerd. It comes in a beautiful, sexy box, and it's children love it. You can sort of see the images there, right? Children love it, right? You can paint the rocks. Look at that. How beautiful is that? They can paint the rocks, and you have a whole afternoon of them looking after themselves, and so you can watch the Netflix, right? Very basic product, starting from $3.71. Now they're selling some of these products here on Amazon, right, for $29. You can sort of see there, right? You've got here $29 as well. It's pretty nice there as well. Rock painting kit there. They've got 18,000 reviews or 17,000 reviews. Crazy, right? People are buying these types of products. Why? Because people are working more from home. Maybe it's because of the coronavirus. Maybe they just want more things for the kids to do. But very simple product. It is the epitome of a simple product. You can't get any simpler than a rock. Very basic, very simple. Something that you could brand. You can brand their own box. What I do love about this particular product is it comes packaged, right? It comes in a beautiful little package that you could sell, and it's perfect for Christmas parties, birthday parties, really any sort of gift giving that you can imagine. Kids love this sort of stuff. They love opening packaging. You can't really polybag this and expect them to accept that. So hopefully that sort of opened up your eyes to the potential of this particular product. So $3.71, they're selling for $29, not too shabby, very basic, very simple product, something you can brand. Is there a market for it? Absolutely yes. In Australia, under painting rocks, right, it's a big, broad keyword. I don't know what we will type in. Maybe it's kind of hard. If you look online on Amazon, they're all selling textures. They're not selling the actual rocks, right? So have a look at that. And a lot of them are just like acrylic paints, right? So there's not many people really positioning them into the rock painting thing. Imagine you bundling this with a book on how to paint the perfect Humpty Dumpty on a rock, or imagine bundling an ebook, an information product that comes with your product for free that will actually include this, because that will entice more buyers to potentially buy, your product. So yeah, think about bundling, because you can always improve a product by including an ebook with that particular product. So anyway, hope that helped. Have a great day. I hope this live stream helped. If you have questions, pop them in below. I'll answer them. And and don't forget to join us on our live stream every Monday, 7 p.m. Sydney time. I'll see you there. And I'm there answering all your questions live, not my coaches, myself. I'm there answering your questions, revealing products to you, and so much more. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. See you later. Bye. Hey, if you're looking to sell on Amazon and you want me as your business partner, listen up. I'm willing to invest in your Amazon business. I'm willing to invest in your products. I'm willing to invest in your marketing. I'm willing to invest in you, in helping you scale your Amazon business. If you currently have an Amazon business and you're looking to generate more sales from your Amazon business, I would like to partner up with you and essentially become a business partner, helping you scale your business even more. Once you have your Amazon business up and running and you're looking to potentially sell your Amazon business and cash out 12 months, maybe 24 months down the line, I'll even help you sell your Amazon business. I'm looking for new deals all the time. I'm looking for new business partners all the time. So if you are looking for a business partner in your Amazon business who knows what they're doing, who has the experience, their expertise, and the team behind them to help you scale your business and generate more sales, then look no further. I would love to partner with you. Speak to one of our team members today to get something started. I've helped countless students get started from scratch. I've helped them find their products, find their niches, find reputable suppliers, find the best products, negotiate the best deals. And I like to help you with scaling your Amazon business. We've helped countless people around the globe to build their Amazon business essentially from scratch, regardless of their age, experience, income, and even technical experience. So if you are looking to sell on Amazon and you're looking for a business partner who has a great team behind them to help them find new products, scale, source new products, new suppliers, and scale up their brand, speak to one of our team members today, have a chat with them, and I would love to work with you personally, one-on-one, to help you scale and grow your Amazon business even more. All right, take care, speak to our team today, and let's get this started.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. So another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program because, sometimes you find a lot of information on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
Oh, highly recommend it. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rung him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from,
just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work, I send him text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time.
And if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things. And usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.